Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I'm doing a curbside garden refresh kind of thing. So if you're interested, stick around. What I did was I transplanted some hostas from another part of the yard and brought them out to kind of decorate around this mailbox. This area gets so beat up during the winter months. I mean, snow piled over here and all that. So we really need to work on the grass, but that's for another video. Meanwhile, I gathered some huge rocks from the backyard. We have a bunch of them in the backyard. I'll insert my a link to my rock garden video as well. But anyway, I gathered a bunch of rocks from the back of the yard. I put down finally some weed block around the hostas and did that first.
Oh, I hope I have enough. Looks like I might need more.
I did have a little help out there. You can hear hubby in the background talking to me about my rocks.
Yeah, I don't want to put the mulch down until I put the rocks down.
So put these rocks in. I think I had 10 or 11 rocks all together. Just trying to find some interesting shapes and colors.
I might have enough. Let's see. I got just enough rocks.
By the way, I added a flower in there called a Diplandidia.
I think we've picked just enough rocks.
I added a flower in there. It's like a pink vine kind of flower. And after putting it in there, of course, I did some research and I found out that it really thrives in warmer climates. Certainly not Connecticut climate, but we'll see how it goes. I'll put a link to this flower somewhere in the video. But I'm really happy with the way this turned out. At least it's not, you know, as unsightly as it had been before. I might paint this mail pole or mail post because as I said, it does get a little beat up during the winter months with snow and everything being thrown up against it. We'll see, but I'm happy with the way this turned out. Rocks from the backyard, transplanted hostas, a little mulch, not bad.
Thank you for the rocks. Pleasure doing business with you. Thank you for visiting Life on Greenwood.
And talking to hubby in the background there. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam at Life on Greenwood. I appreciate you.